Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you on how to get logged into your HSBC account. I will show you the simple step-by-step process, so make sure to follow and watch this video till the end. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC. And there you need to search us.hsbc.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you do that, you will be directed to HSBC homepage. Now at the top right of your screen, you will be able to see Login button. Tap on that button in order to get logged into your HSBC account. Now there, type in your username of your account. Now if in the case you have forgotten your username, you can retrieve it by tapping on Forget Username link. Now once you typed in your username, tap on Continue button. And in the next page, you will ask to type in your password correctly. Type in your password and tap on Sign In button. And once you tap on Sign In button, you will get logged into your HSBC account. And that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your HSBC account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with more videos like this.